Thank you, Tyler. Our Maine weather is brought to you by Washington County Community College. Check out the new Probations and Correction online program. Don't miss out on free college. All right, we have some excessive heat on the way. As you can see, we have an excessive heat warning in Bangor extending to the southwestern part of the state, and we still have that excessive heat watch covering the whole state of Maine. So we have a lot of tropical temperatures on the way. Let's take a look at those highs today. 86 for the high in Bangor, and it's probably going to reach around 90 as well. As you can see, northern part of the state has a lot of lower 90s. A little bit cooler by the coast, but still pretty warm near those upper 70s into lower 80s, and those could be higher as well going into the next few days. So let's take a look going into tomorrow. We're going to be very hot going to tomorrow with some mid-90s near the Bangor area. A little cooler by the coast still, but much of this area, as you saw with that excessive heat warning stretching to the southwest, that's where we're going to see the warmest temperatures, almost reaching into the upper 90s as well, as we do get a lot of sunshine tomorrow. And then going into Thursday, we will still see some excessive heat still through this portion of the state stretching to the southwest. It does show it will be around 92, but I still think it'll get to those mid to upper 90s, around 95 to 97 degrees. Very, very hot for these next few days coming up. Now, it's very, very important to know the heat dangers with this excessive heat on the way. First, we'll talk about heat exhaustion. This could, in the head, you'll feel faint or dizzy, excessive sweating, cool, pale, clammy skin. You'll have a rapid, weak pulse, and you'll be getting muscle cramps. So if you are experiencing this, it's important to get to a cool place with air conditioning, drink lots and lots of water, and make sure you take a cool shower or have an ice pack with you at all times. And that will help relieve your symptoms of heat exhaustion. But let's take a look at heat stroke. This is the stuff that could be very, very dangerous. And what you'll be experiencing is a throbbing headache, no sweating at all, red, hot, dry skin, rapid, strong pulse, and you may even lose consciousness. In this case, it'll be very important to call 911, as this could be a very, very dangerous situation if you're experiencing the symptoms of heat stroke. Now, with that being said, temperature trend shows, as you can see, the next few days are going to be very hot, 90, 97, and 95 for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then we'll cool down a little bit, but still pretty hot with those lower 80s in the forecast Friday and Saturday. And then we'll be much more comfortable Sunday with a high of 76 degrees. Now, Muggy Meter shows it'll be very muggy out there, very humid Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Very important to stay hydrated out there with these excessive hot temperatures on the way. And the UV index is going to be very, very high as well. Burn time is around 10 minutes. Very important to have all these items, hats, sunglasses, sunscreen, and make sure you're hanging out in some shady areas. Tonight's forecast has a low of 64 degrees, partly cloudy with winds from the south at 5 miles per hour. And tomorrow is going to be very hot, near record high temperatures with a high of 97 degrees, and winds will be from the south-southwest. Extended forecast shows the next few days are going to be extremely hot, and then we possibly will cool down Saturday and Sunday with some rain on the way into the mid-70s. Beth and Peter?